Are you struggling to find a reliable website designer? GBN Web Development can help you. I will build an amazing WordPress website for your business. Are you seeking a WordPress website that is both creative and productive? That's cutting edge, lightning fast, and fully responsive across all devices and browsers. You've come to the correct location. I'm a front-end and back-end developer with extensive experience. After working on over 400 WordPress websites, I've learned a lot about WordPress website design and development. With my experience in web development, I'm sure I can make you a website that looks great and works well to help you reach your business goals. My focus is on providing a website that not only looks great, but also delivers a seamless user experience for your customers. Whether you're looking to set up an e-commerce website, a blog, or a corporate website, I can help you bring your vision to life. I will work with you to understand your business needs and tailor the website to meet your specific requirements. I pride myself on delivering high-quality work within agreed-upon timelines and budgets. You can be confident that your project is in capable hands. Contact GBN Web Development today, and let's build a remarkable WordPress website for your business that will leave a lasting impression on your customers.